Hey, what is going on, guys? GM Galaxy back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the 2025 Chevy Tahoe and Suburban full-sized SUVs. Interior-wise, we do get quite a few updates, and exterior-wise, some subtle tweaks and updates to the front end and the exterior. But again, the revised grille and a new front bumper are a little bit more similar now to the newer versions of the Silverado, I would say. Nice little touch, just to make it a little bit updated, more modern, sleek, sporty looking. But interior-wise, we get a 17.7-inch infotainment screen, and it appears to be similar to the one that we saw in the redesigned Traverse, and an 11-inch digital instrument cluster. Again, so coming closer to what we saw with that panoramic screen on the Cadillac Escalades. And again, different features like the Super Cruise and a few others. It's definitely a very important thing there. It's a key feature now that we've been seeing on the updated models. So I'm glad to see that as well. And in terms of the powertrain, guys, we get a new engine under the hood. We get the second generation 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline 6 solid engine, 305 horsepower, 495 pound-feet of torque, which is a sizable improvement over the current engine that develops about 275 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. And we're also going to be having the original 5.3 and 6.2 liter V8s, which should have about 355 horsepower and about 420 pound-feet of torque. And it's definitely some updates that I'm happy to see. And again, in terms of some of the updates to the exterior, I also am a fan of what it's looking like and how the Suburban and Tahoes are really evolving, giving me a little bit more of a modernized Escalade feel altogether.